What's that one goal, that one dream that you want so bad? You got it? All right. I'm going to teach you how to get it. There's 3 key factors, my friend. 1, make sure you know what's your goal, what's your dream, right? It's called your chief aim. 2, have a burning desire to get it. How do you build a burning desire? You become obsessed with it. 3, feel good. When you're thinking about your dream, when you're thinking about your goal, you have to feel good. If you're feeling bad, that means there's doubt, there's fear. That's a big no-no, my friend. You have to believe, man. You have to believe that it's possible for you, that you can make that chief aim, that dream, into a reality. All right? So keep in mind, every time you're thinking about where you want to go in life, what you want to do, what's your goal, what's your dream, chief aim, make sure you have that one chief aim. Make sure you feel good. And last but not least, I know the order's messed up. It doesn't really matter, man. But have that intensity, man. That burning desire that it will be. Love, man.